All right, you're here because you want to get that handstand. It's a really cool move, but if you're trying it, then you probably already noticed that it's really hard to get down, and maybe you haven't even started yet. Well, in this video, I want to give you one trick that's going to help you master the handstand, and this is one when we share with people. Some people, once they start implementing this, they get their handstand like that. Now, not everyone, of course. It takes a lot of practice, but this is going to be a big one that's going to help you get your handstand and get it much faster. Now, I actually picked up this trick from someone you may know, and he goes by Modern Tarzan on Instagram. His name's Nick, and I have to give him a shout out because he shared this to us when we went and trained with him at Woodward Park. We did some videos together, and he shared us this trick, and it helped so much even for us back then. All right, so the secret is all in the hands. And here's what I'm talking about. When most people go to do their handstand, they don't think about where the weight should be in their hands. And most people put the weight at the very bottom of the palm here. Now, the problem is when you do that, it forces you to fall back this way. So, for instance, if you're up in the handstand, all your weight's here, you have no room to push back. So most people, they'll go here and they'll keep falling over this way. Or they'll shift the weight too far in their fingers. And the same thing happens if you go too far this way. You'll end up falling over forward. So the trick is to set the weight right here in the middle, right at the knuckles. So the way you do this is by shifting your shoulders forward and your weight forward into or over the knuckles. So you lean slightly forward, so your weight is going to be balanced over that position. And when you do that, that allows you a lot more room to save yourself and hold your balance. So if you start leaning too far this way, you can press down on the palm and shift yourself back. If you're leaning too far forward over your fingers, you can press down with the fingers and shift yourself back into that position. Because for the handstand, everything has to do with that foundation. Because of the rest of your body, as we talked about in other videos, you want to stay nice and rigid and straight to where basically all the work is being done with the wrist and the hands here, maintain that balance. All right, so that's the tip that I want you to use. This one trick is going to help you out a ton. For some of you, you may even be able to get your handstand after using this. I've seen that happen before. Now, if you're still struggling with your handstand or you need to learn just the basic technique and stuff like that, then we have other videos you can check out. We've shot a ton of videos over the handstand and stuff like that. I'd highly recommend checking those out. Now, if you know you want to go to the next level in our training, meaning you want detailed tutorials, you want workouts, exercises, and you want to learn more moves than just the handstand, meaning you want to learn things like the crow pose, maybe you want to get introduced into acrobatics, then what I would recommend is check out our Acro 101 program. You can see all the different moves you're going to learn inside there. You can check it out in the description. All right, so that's all I have for you in this video. Be sure to like, subscribe if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.